okay, hold it. Okay, hold it.
What is up, guys? I'm here at the yard waiting for Chesnie to get here so we can put this hoist all together, lift it up, put it up in the yard. First, I'm going to be working on cleaning up all of this sand in the yard. There is just so much sand and dirt and oil and God knows what else in here. But I'm just gonna keep sweeping up. Trying to keep this place spotless. You know, we're going to be working on these nice boats. This yard has got to be clean. The wind blows from this direction down all day, every day. So I'm pretty much going to have to sweep this whole entire gutter. Otherwise, it's just going to keep coming right back down here. Luckily, if it does rain, it all drains out towards the street. So
it all goes to the sewer. The sewer all goes into the ocean. The ocean is the water we all drink.
we'll see. We're just waiting on Chesnie to get here because I can't move those I-beams myself. So once he gets here, we'll throw it all together and lift it up with the forklift and call it a day.
Previously on
OverBoard. Bill dropped this off this morning.
Yep.
And we're hopefully gonna have it all assembled today.
We will.
We will. I painted all the hoist metal today, all the I-beams and everything. So it's gonna look brand new. We'll put it all together tomorrow. Tomorrow. All right, so I hope you enjoyed probably the 15th sweeping montage that we've had. But I've got buckets 5 and 5.5 filled with sand. Literally all came from all over here. This looks way worse than it did. Mainly because this is all covered in dirt, so it looked dirt color. Maintaining this place is gonna be a never-ending battle.
Battle stations!
All right, so Chesnie is here, and we are gonna start muscling all of this big iron everywhere.
Kev said we're gonna start moving this stuff wrong and start putting all this stuff together so you guys will get to see everything what we're doing.
Yeah, the only thing is we're missing a little bit of bolts, but no big deal.
No big deal.
We're gonna get this all figured out right now.
Oh, way lighter. Yeah.
So this is just gonna go.
We should put these one in first before we do all this. Very nice lift. This is like $3,000 worth of material, right?
Yeah, about. I don't know. I'm not 100% sure.
Yeah.
In this economy, who knows?
True. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10.
I think that's it.
Yeah? Where did we went wrong? We're tripping, dude.
You be tripping.
That's good.
Oh, God, it's so good.
Yep, you got it.
Cool.
Good news.
Water break.
Cock-a-doodle-doo crow, man.
All right, human forklift.
Good. Here we go.
Woo!
We make a good team.
Oh yeah.
That's how you guys do it out there. Who's always working with, work together. Four eyes are better than two. Four hands are better than two.
Yep. And two half brains equal
Yep.
one brain.
Yeah. See the asphalt thing?
Oh yeah.
Got 3 of them. Somebody falling, some sand in his ass, and they're like, oh, asphalt. Mano, podemos usar el forklift un ratito, hermano. Mi camarada va a practicar. See, he got everything here, dude. He does everything here mostly, man. Badass, master mechanic. El hermano. Yep, #1. From Cap's gonna do it, guys. Come on, Kev. What do you guys think? Every day is something exciting. Every day is something new. You guys will get to see everything what we do.
How about I just go eat some hay? I can make things out of clay and lay by the bay I just made. What do you say?
Nah, it's good. Let's turn the key. Okay, prender. Oh, that thing, you gotta turn on that metal thing right there. Oh, okay. Yeah. Just made you look bad, Kev.
Nuh-uh.
What do you guys think? Excited? Can you dig it? Exciting stuff every day. Don't do what we do though. This is not safe.
We do safety training every year or after an accident.
Oh, the asphalt.
Asphalt.
Say something.
I gotta see this.
Come on, Grandpa.
Hurry, 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 hurry.
Okay, okay, hold it, hold it. One. Come forward now. Okay, okay, hold it, hold it. One. Come forward now. Okay, okay, hold it, hold it. One. Okay, okay, hold it, hold it. One.
This is gonna be the problem.
Yeah.
DEFCON 10, Houston, we have a problem.
That could hold it though.
Huh?
That could hold it. So.
All right, we did it.
See that?
Easy
See
as-
that?
easy
See
as
that? See
easy
those
as-
hands?
Easy as that, folks.
Not afraid to get dirty neither.
Yeah, that'll pick up some boats, huh?
Yep. Oh man.
Houston, we don't have a problem.
Easily distracted. Mm-hmm. You were easily distracted. That's it, baby.
Got
right
it.
there.
Got it.
All right, that was a great success, huh?
Oh man. Better than great. Every day is something new, something exciting,
Yep.
something cool. And you guys get to witness and see all of that.
Yep, and you're about to witness me try to figure out where neutral is on this thing. Got it. Aha. All right. So now, all right, set the parking brake. All right, so we totally forgot to film kind of putting the hoist in its spot, but here it is in its spot right up against the container. It's about 15 foot tall, 14 foot to the hoist motor, to a 12,000 pound winching motor on there. This thing's pretty sweet.
We're sorry, folks. We didn't get to give you all that.
Yeah.
It was hot, and we was trying to get it done as fast as we can.
Yep. This thing's already helped us quite a bit, and it's gonna really help us when we go to put the motor back in my boat. And this thing's pretty solid, man. It doesn't wobble at all with the weight of the boat on it. It's rock solid, this thing.
Very solid.
That's it, guys. We're stoked. Big addition to the yard. Can't take enough upgrades, you know. I mean, we're always going to be upgrading this yard, so this hoist is a big bonus here. This thing is awesome.
And we got another surprise for you guys. We got a trash can.
Yeah, finally got a dumpster. Finally.
Dumpster and trash can are all the same.
Finally got a dumpster.